500,000 people contract a healthcare-associated infection every day, according to estimates from the World Health Organization. That's over 182 million people every year who are affected by an infection which they did not have prior to a healthcare treatment. The act of hand hygiene has been shown to reduce the transmission of microbes, which reduces the number of hospital-acquired infections. Did you know it is estimated that 2 in 5 people don't comply with the 5 moments of hand hygiene? Whiteley Corporation understands the importance of hand hygiene products in healthcare, aged care, and the wider community. For all routine hand hygiene practices in healthcare, use Bactol alcohol gel.